How to get list of dependencies of non-installed RPM package? apt-cache show and LT, package in GT, shows also its dependencies. yum info and LT, package in GT, does not show dependencies, but it obviously know them. How to ask yum for dependencies of specified package?
Yum doesn't have that capability. Use the repo query tool from the yum utils package instead. Or to also see which additional RPM packages are needed to satisfy the dependencies, use resolve.
Use deplist command. From yum's manual. Produces a list of all dependencies and what packages provide those dependencies for the given packages. Update for DNF. To do the same thing with DNF, we can do as man yum2 DNF said. Alternative to yum deplist command to find out dependencies of the packages DNF repo query requires using repo query plugin.
If you have a local RPM, you can get a list of dependencies via
If you need the list of packages needed, use DNF repo query requires resolve. In the case of Firefox, by running sudo DNF repo query requires resolve Firefox. I've got the output.